Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to go through the 1999 FRQ number 4. So this question says, suppose that the function f has a continuous second derivative for all x, and that f of 0 equals 2, f prime of 0 equals negative 3, and f double prime of 0 equals 0. Let g be a function whose derivative is given by g prime of x equals e to the negative 2x times 3 times f of x plus 2 times f prime of x for all x. Part A, write an equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at the point where x equals 0. Okay, so again, tangent line equation, I'm just going to use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Great. So we know that our x value is 0, and so we're going to be using this piece of information here. When our input value is 0, our output value is 2. So I know my point is 0, 2. Now I have to get the slope. So the slope is given by f prime, right? Remember, it's the derivative which represents slope. And again, my x value is 0. So I need to use my f prime of 0 value, which is going to equal m, which is given here, which is just negative 3. Now I'm going to plug everything in. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now I have the equation for the tangent line to the graph of f at the point where x equals 0. Okay, moving on to part C. Given that g of 0 equals 4, write an equation of the line tangent to the graph of g at the point where x equals 0. All right, same formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, they give us our point here. They tell us when our input is 0, our output is 4. So our point is 0, 4. And now we have to find the slope. So our slope is going to be equal to our derivative when our x value is 0. Now we have to use this equation here and plug in 0 in order to get our slope. So this would be e to the power of negative 2 times 0 times 3 times f of 0 plus 2 times f prime of 0. Simplifying, this becomes negative 2 times 0 is just 0, e to the 0 is just 1. As a reminder, any number to the power of 0 is 1, so I'm actually just basically not going to write that because I know it's a 1, and it's being multiplied. So now I have 3 times f of 0, which is 2, remember that was given here, plus 2 times f prime of 0, which was negative 3. Remember that was given there. Okay, and then just simplifying that, this would be positive 6 plus negative 6, which just gives us 0. So now, plugging into this over here, I would get y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So because my slope is 0, as a reminder, that tells me this is going to be a horizontal line, right? Vertical lines have infinite slopes or undefined slopes, and then horizontal lines have 0 slopes. So all of this entire side is going to be 0 because it's being multiplied by 0. So I would have y minus 4 equals 0, and then I just add the 4 over, and I get y equals 4. Apologies, I had to write that below. Hopefully you can see that okay, but y equals 4 would be the equation of the tangent line to the graph of g when x equals 0. Thanks for watching.